How to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. So first you just have to go to your Play Store, and as you can see, just go to your Genshin Impact. Once you're in here, you just have to see if it needs an update, if the Genshin Impact needs an update. So it's here. So it doesn't need an update. So our second method is just to go to Genshin Impact and just long press, or go to its storage cake. As you can see, just click storage, and as you can see here, just click clear cake. I'm done with clicking that. And also, if it doesn't work, just also clear storage, and it will reset the settings of the app, and that's pretty much it.